Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Enjoy the spectacular view of the Caribbean Sea from the spacious patio of this delightful, well-appointed 4-bedroom home. Located in the coveted gated community of Plantation Village, Richmond, St. Anne, just minutes away from the resort town of Ocho Rios. It is complemented with lush greeneries and bountiful fruit trees. On the main floor, you are captivated by the open floor plan, which flows from the entrance area into the grand foyer. Powder room, 1 bedroom with ensuite, formal living room, dining room, and eating kitchen. The upper floor contains 3 bedrooms, including grand master suite, living room, and TV room. Throughout the house is the visibility of superb finishing, notwithstanding showcasing of the handcraft moldings and more. The business communities of St. Anne's Bay and the rapidly emerging business district of Draxall are all within close proximity. Price is negotiable. All reasonable offers will be considered. A great investment property. Make this your dream home today. The land area is approximately 14,900 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $695,000 or Jamaican $106.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.